Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine.
Okay, do you know that the Ramadan is the blessing month for all Muslim Ummah?
Yes, absolutely. In this month, this is holy month, and I can also tell you about the importance of this month. The Ramadan is the best of all months. In this month, the Quran was revealed. It is the blessing, mercy, and forgiveness. Rewards are multiplied from 10 to 700 times. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in Ramadan, the gates of heaven are open and the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained.
MashaAllah, Subhanallah, Ramadan. Do you know that the Ramadan is also significant to science, which include weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the cholesterol level, and can also help to heart disease. Ramadan can also improve our mental health by lowering depression and anxiety and stress level.
Subhanallah, mashallah.
Jazakallah.
Thanks.